the launches including the Ignis and the Vitara Brezza. The company, however, has a ace up its sleeve, and this is it, the Suzuki Jimny Sierra, which is basically the long wheelbase version of the Jimny. Now, I'm Pratik Rakshit, you're watching the YouTube channel of Auto Today, and do remember to hit the subscribe button. I'll tell you everything you need to know about the Suzuki Jimny. Now the Jimny Sierra that's behind us is the long wheelbase version of the Jimny and is only available in the European market as of now. The fourth generation of the Jimny is not coming to India anytime soon, and Maruti is saying it's just on display to gauge the public reaction. And if you, the audience, say yes to the Jimny, Maruti will consider it. Now, if you can see us, a lot of people are thronging behind us to see the Jimny, and if Maruti sees this, there is a huge possibility that the Jimny will come to India probably by next year. So, all you gotta do is click a lot of pictures with the Jimny and let the Maruti people know that the Jimny should come to India, and there is a fan base for this. I'm Pratik Rakshit from Auto Today, signing off.